exploring the meaning of be as one. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: be as one. It's a phrase that carries a lot of depth and emotion, and understanding it can really enrich your comprehension of English. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase truly means. At first glance, be as one might seem straightforward, but it's actually loaded with nuance. To be as one essentially means to be in complete agreement or to act in complete unison with someone else. It's often used to describe a deep level of harmony or unity between people, like friends, family members, or even whole communities. To help you grasp this concept, let's look at some examples. 1. In a team, imagine a sports team where every player is working seamlessly together. They're said to be as one because their actions and thoughts are perfectly aligned. 2. In relationships, when two people understand each other so well that they anticipate each other's thoughts or actions, they can be described as being as one. 3. In social movements, when a group of people comes together for a cause, sharing the same passion and goals, they be as one in their efforts. Understanding phrases like be as one gives us insight into how language can be used to express complex ideas like unity and harmony. This phrase is more than just about agreement. It's about a profound level of understanding and synchronicity. It's a beautiful example of how English can capture the essence of human connection. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, be as one. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing expression and added a new dimension to your understanding of English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and emotions they convey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be expressing yourself in English as one with native speakers. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.